Chad, you have HIV.
Stop making people talk so loud, man. What you talk about, bro?
You don't see a woman find HIV pill back in her house.
So that's me have it.
Really?
Yo, where you the pan that? Yo, where you the pan? Yo, where you the pan, brother? Learn from it. When I go show me, I say when the movie done. So watch it from start to finish. Please, please, people, use a movie as an example and I make a mistake. Yeah. See? Get tested or die young. You don't know. Big up on yourself. One Maggy Nation, never two.
Maggy Films. Maggy.
How do you do now, Chad? There I know, bro. Everything good. You know, see, I said place me do. Yeah, man. Me. Yo, me up at Popeyes, bro. Just forward.
Oh, but then I told you, alright.
Me upstairs.
Alright,
Alright, bro.
Yeah, bro, okay, serious, yeah.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Wait. Man, reach out, man. Say that one.
There I know, bro.
Believe me, man.
There.
Consume up some Popeyes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's see how go on now, Chad. Let's see how go on.
Boy. I don't know how I'm going to put this at you now, brother. But, you know, say, remember say you never did in a place that did a prison, right?
True.
And you see a girl where they talk to, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, you say HIV positive, brother. Because you know, you see when you're in prison?
Yeah.
She got the down you to them. Alright, now that you there have the virus. You understand?
Chad, you sure you're here good?
Brother, remember say, me have brother in my youth.
My woman HIV positive.
I'm not sure, brother, I'm not sure, but you'd have to go get tested, brother.
Me not go get no tested, you know. If me have it, make me tan with it.
What kind of foolish start on somebody youth?
Chad, if this a Chad,
What do you mean you not get tested, brother?
Chad, if me have it, make me tan with it, Chad. Me not go get tested to find out if me have it. And me they live with it, you know, Chad. Man, I laugh.
So yo, if you have you not go on, no say you have it, brother, better you know say you have you and get the treatment them, brother.
Chad.
You see the youth where me I tell you say she did that talk to in another prison. Is a little bird in the street tell me say him have it.
Chad,
You understand? And through him know say him have it, him just a give 8 people, so brother.
Chad,
Like me I say, put it on the safe side, go check your status, brother. No what go on, bro. Do me a do. Yo, you take it for joking.
Chad, far me I come from, Chad. I shouldn't even bring them and use that to me, Chad.
Look here. You
Chad.
take it for joking about a serious thing here, brother. Believe me, I tell you something, man. I something me here, brother. You understand? I know the female. The female I must know say she have it, you know. Although I don't know if the female have it because I'm not a doctor. You understand?
Chad, am I?
But
Chad.
listen now, hold on, man. I know one doctor, brother. See? I know one doctor, man. Them on the good, brother. Them on they can check you out. Dr. Jevan Samuels, brother. Them on they can go there and get a checkup. Me can carry down at the doctor office, brother, one at a time, man. You see it? And I tell you what part to go. Because me did have to get tested one at a time, man. And I seen where me did fear to get tested. And when we go in the doctor office, brother, the doctor said, oh, you tremble, sir. Because Peter tremble, me tremble at the time. And the doctor said, no, man, you're not supposed to tremble, sir, man. Free up, man. You understand? You need to know your status, man, and you know what I mean? So, by talking to me, the doctor showed me some importance. Why I need to know my status and everything, that the man stays a woman. Check me, and you know, luckily, found out negative thing away. Because me did go at a part of me need to go and I did affect, you know. But me, I hear something about you know, you're my brother, I have to tell you, you know. So, enter you ready? Me carry down the doctor place.
So go show him what the doctor did.
Yeah, man.
So, nah, but I check up.
So what you say you want me carry guy doctor and then you still talk about you know about to get check up, brother?
Me nah bother check up.
Brother, look here. You see if you have it, brother. See the doctor me I tell about him. Mr. Samuels. Them man not tell nobody say you have it, them man confidential everything, brother. And like say you just need to know if alright, yo. He's off for that argument then, brother.
True.
Yo, remember some farm where I come from in my youth. We go to basic school together, brother. We keep ball together, we go to Bud Bush. I don't want nothing to do with my youth. You see it? The girl bad my youth. I remember say, so between me and you. When you're not already, you go unprotected.
Chad.
No, hold on, and my business still, but me ask you.
Chad, come out of my lifestyle.
Alright, me I follow
Chad.
with your lifestyle.
Come out
But-
of my life.
Yeah.
My personal business that Chad, you don't need to know that.
But brother, you might see me a lot, but brother, I say me years say she have it, brother. Just you know, you want me go down a Dr. Jevan Samuels and pay the money.
Right
Yeah.
now. Me and you can't go there right now. Nothing to do me. Seeing is believe
Come on,
right now.
come
me
on,
can't
then.
prove it. Come on.
then. Come on,
Prove it right now.
come on. Upon the passenger side, I forgot I'm telling you.
Yo, so how far you go?
Brother, we are go shop 11, cash up park. That's a Kingston, brother. Broad Spectrum. What the place name again? What's the Broad Spectrum Medical Center, brother?
Which part of Kingston?
A good place, brother. I'm gonna tell you, sir, cash up park, man. Shop 11, man.
Yo, that is too far, you know, brother. That is too far, Chad. If me have it, me no want know.
What you mean if you have a disease in the one? Come find out, brother.
No, yo,
Me check myself and I'm good enough. Me check
Bro.
myself and me find out that me good enough.
me have something else I
Remember
go
me
deal with. Me have something else I deal with. Me nah
You don't want to check yourself, brother.
Me good. Now I figure my car road.
Alright, you alright then, you know. Anything reach then. Look at me. I come like an idiot. Oh, man, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
So, I have some clothes I have to deal with you.
Look nice though.
Thanks.
What am I just step on the phone now? Feel like you ever feel like you don't want to get check up because my mom and you involved in things, you know? And I said like how me and you have unprotected sex, is it? I said I think you shouldn't take a check up.
No, some I need no check-up. I'm not pregnant. I'm good. I'm not breed.
So are you sure say nah breed?
Because I know my body. I'm not regular do them things there.
Oh.
So I know my body and I know it changes.
That me say me want come tell us still. To get a like a check up to see if you know, if you're alright, if you're pregnant or anything else, you know what I mean? But what you saying there? Him not there, I'm gonna road? Oh. Please me beg you make him know that me are involved, yeah?
Hi.
We are gonna stop all of this now because he's back from prison. We can't do any more of this, right? But do me a beg you, try your best to make him hear or know nothing about our thing.
Hi.
Because I'm a long time, me and him growing. I remember say really you make me do this, you know, you think it's easy.
Me.
Yes, are you. Alright, but I really think if we get tested though. Because not saying that me have anything. You understand? Me know I'm clean and thing.
What do you mean by have anything? Or you reach this up?
You see, well, you know, you take things a joke, you know. Alright, me just I said be concerned because when me go unprotected, me I wonder if maybe I might get pregnant and so.
I'm not pregnant, man. Don't worry about
If you
that.
come from prison now, I say just to ensure say you're not pregnant. I just want you to do all the thing, you understand? But it's okay if you don't really want to get no checkup still, if you know your status. That's alright. You understand? But yeah, it is what it is.
So you do not check up?
All the time. I don't mind check up all the time, man, and I'm good.
Well, I guess so.
Yeah.
Both of us good.
So I really stay long still, you know, because you say I wash.
Can I have things in this stuff to deal with? Anyways, why are you so eager for me to check up? How am I? You good?
I'm more than good, baby. I look at me good.
No, so I have to ask you in a top done pan, Ray and Tay.
But
Like,
look
me
at
no,
me,
like me no must know how my body stay if you know if me a breed or what. So what happened?
Me not look at me alright.
I know you look alright.
Okay.
So
So
me
me
ask
must
if you're
alright. From me look at me alright, me have to alright. You understand? But me just say, just so that my brethren know say me and you did involve. I want you to see if you're pregnant, but I say go and you can't do all one little HIV test or one little
What?
syphilis test.
So if me get that, I must you that give me.
Me?
So you alone me asleep putting on myself, my man did that jail. So you would have to give me that some. Now why you there chat about how you reach a HIV? But you say pregnancy, now you come and chat about
No, the reason why I say that. No, the reason why I say that, you know.
How's that something alright?
What do you mean something alright?
Because you chat
Look
about
for me,
if me have HIV.
I look alright here.
But me I say, if me have it, you would have give me. You alone me asleep with. So.
I could do me again.
What do you mean by
But
that?
me not have it though. But me I say.
We're going to do a test together then.
Together? We can't make a man sister way up and down this time.
You not going to say, but we are going to do it since you're well eager for know. So it's 2 hours ago, we're going to do a test and see what happens. Because I don't know how you chat about me check if I have HIV. You alone me sleep with it, you know that. So you would have to
Look
give me
here,
any sickness
if
me have,
me
you have
have
to give
it,
me.
if me have it, I would have to you give me.
No, sir, you give me, man. Me always
So you have it?
always I check up
So you
them
have it?
things. Them. Me not have it.
So,
Me always do check up, but a good while now, me not do no check up. So
My
that's
girl,
why
me
I
not-
go do it.
I like how you talk. I'm pregnant, me I say to check if you're pregnant.
No, while ago you just say HIV. So what you talk about?
Yo, listen to me I say that, man.
But you know what's a joke me around? I joke me around, man. Me not do notice.
What you mean you not do no test?
Come on, if you do not test something to me.
No,
I'm
but
not
no.
pregnant.
What you saw a while ago, right?
You don't understand, I'm not pregnant. Would I know if me are pregnant? Mama say you can't see
Look,
red light, I'm
look,
pregnant.
the thing is,
so
I don't want
how is that? So something have to wrong, make you go on. So.
Nothing wrong, but me I
Alright,
say
well,
me just
nothing wrong with me then, I'm not doing no test.
me just know why you accuse me of anything. If you find out say you have anything, me know why you accuse me.
Which
But
anything? If me a baby I chat about,
But look
how much
here.
baby I chat about.
me just want you to go get the test.
Me not do
End
no
that
test.
story. You not do no
You
test.
come and get it.
Alright, go ahead.
Go on ways here, man. Can you get past my nerves? Go on ways here, man. Can you make a crosses?
You not come like no crosses. I don't know crosses. I'll see you like crosses.
B! B!
How would that, babes?
Yeah, man, him said one, come in.
Action.
What happened?
Yeah, man. Man, good. You know, say, I want to ask you something, though.
How that know?
You did that bother me there at prison?
What do you mean by bad? You know, say come like you lick your head or something. Why am I that bad?
Come feel lick my head.
Because why you, what no, what kind of stupid question that you ask me now? Why am I that bad? My man lock up, which means I'm sad the whole time. I'm stressed. So what you tell me say?
Be you sure?
Yes, I want you.
You know, say, I hear a little thing in the street about to say, you did that bad to me there at prison.
Media bad?
Listen up, I'm gonna like if we go check up and see if you're good. And when I check up, I want to make sure say me good too, because me nah do no check up, you know.
How you chat to? Hello, me not do no check up. Not do me good.
How you know
Me
that?
say me good. Me a
How
woman, me know when me good from when me not good. Me good.
How you know say you're good?
If you want to do check up, you go and do check up.
Me don't tell you already say me nah do no check
Well, me
up.
not do none either. So it's why we not do no check up.
Wait,
And you want to believe people, so go and believe people.
am I a man in a relationship or are you?
No business. Come here and tell us something you want to believe stranger over your woman, which means you not rate me then if you believe man or whosoever tell you, because I be a mix up people there, you know. So if you want to believe them and mash up a relationship or your business, that me not do no check up.
You see who tell me say you did that bad?
Yeah.
Me believe say you
So
did that
believe
bad
them.
for real.
Believe, but I wasn't.
He's a man with me and my girlfriend we all look up picnic and play marble come up. Me know him now and tell me no lie.
Me not do no check up.
Remember me tell you know, you see any boy that me hear say they did a deal with or if me ever find out, me I dirt them. Remember
Nobody
me
did
tell
it for dirt.
you. So you say, woman are wicked, you know.
Man a wicked too.
Remember say I prison me there for how much?
So
months.
some not sad, me sad the whole
Me there
time.
prison
Cried
for much
sleepless
months.
night. Cried sleepless night.
That alone.
Yeah, because I'm
Sad,
stressed.
cry, stress.
Yes, I'll sleep again and am.
And my brethren can look for me. Me just come
And
over
your
here.
bridging business that. If you want to go to test, you go and go to test. Me not care. Me not do no test.
Me don't tell already, you know, be
Well,
say
me not do it either. You know, alright. Your bridging must want me make him a tell lie. Eh? You want me?
My friend no come them them the way there. My friend no stay so.
I believe dog of your woman then, because he might give you something. So believe him.
And that you say.
You deaf? You don't care. You don't rate me if you believe. Friend over your woman, we do it how long?
But me know my brethren.
But nothing.
Me know my friend.
Your friend
Before
want me, he
know
must
you.
want me.
No,
All your friend
my
them
friend.
want me, so he must want me too.
My friend. What?
Nothing.
All of my friend them want
Don't
you.
worry about that. The whole point is that your friend must want me, and the whole of them want me. That's the truth. They never
Yeah.
tell her what they want
Yeah.
me. The whole of them want me. So I must, when I so and them will love chat, go tell a lie.
Be you see next somebody come to me.
And where you go do?
About you. Remember me tell her say. You have to go definitely go do a checkup.
Me nah do nothing.
Or else it's a relationship you're done.
Well, make it done. I your business that. Me not care. Because you not care, so why me go care? You
I
have to
think
be
me-
friend over your woman where they with how long. Friend are wicked, you know. When they want something, they will tell lie, but you are idiot, you go believe. Say no, go on.
So a friend alone wicked.
Go on. If you want, go on.
I think
See
me,
where they go
I
and
go
if you
sit down here so. Make you go pick up what you have to pick up a road, bring come give me.
And you would have give me?
How?
Okay, me don't know. Probably have a long time.
Me didn't even left me yard go nowhere. And look how long me there in prison.
So why you want me to go up and do the test? Are you more for the test, you know? You know, so you get sucked out. Look, you get Maggy.
So if
You get sucked the right, which means are you more for have say me have sickness or you give me. So you must know where you get
me there in
sickness
prison,
from.
if me there in prison so
That no
long.
matter, that no matter. You
Listen.
can't catch in there.
If me there in prison so long and not eat healthy, you know must expect
You can't,
to take off
and
weight.
that, and I blame. You have a sickness, and you have sickness.
Remember say me just come from prison, you know.
So you can't just come and get one front.
You think prison food healthy if me put on weight?
Hear me, officer now. If you want to go on, you go on. Believe your friend. And your friend must do things make you feel back so. So you not go on.
You know, say me
Nah, stop
you know,
you.
say your son guilty.
Oh, please.
You realize what you say, if me want go on, me go on.
So we am for the whole empire?
Alright, me must hear from somebody else.
Yeah, go and go here, because you go, you can't do me nothing. You not say you not say you're done.
Me a friend my friend, you know, which is we grew up from marble days. And they always say a Tom, Dick and Harry. If two more somebody come to me with that the topic there, remember me tell her be
We say done.
it's over.
Then I saw you go, me not go dead.
Or if you're not doing check out,
Me nah do
just say
nothing.
over.
Well, you know what, me have things to do with. You waste my time.
I come go up on me yard.
Go on your ways.
It takes so long, Mama. It takes so long.
Yeah, wash.
Oh. So I pray everything good.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, I'm tired like wow. But come to think of it, see if your man walk past, you're mad. Yeah, like he angry or something. I don't know what go on, you know. Me just there and I see that. I see. You see me? Sorry, what are you going?
You know, come up here and chat about them if you do tests and them thing there. Test and check if me have no HIV or them something that chat about pregnancy. But me a woman, me know when me a breed for when me not breed. Then me chat about HIV and for the test and them. So me a
I
say,
jealous man. Maybe you think you're get or something. Cause you know we man tan sometime.
yeah.
And them look over there. Me see man walk go up the road like I'm gonna mash up somebody.
But maybe I prison get to in head.
Yeah, I hit.
In there
I'm
prison
just mad.
for good while now and something.
I just have problem.
So, wash I say I wash.
From morning me I wash. I'm just not too long done wash.
You them a time?
Yeah, from morning me I wash.
Yes sir, go bus piece now. Come on now. Remember to lock the gate now.
Like me I do.
Alright.
Yo, Chumpa. Yo, me want to ask you, brother. Yeah. Call that.
Hello, good afternoon, Dr. Samuel.
Dr. Samuels.
Speaking.
You know, say big boss, you know, say me I try to get the girl to come do for her check up, but you know, she don't want, you know, she say nothing to do her, and me no really want to tell her say me have the thing, you understand?
Okay, but you know, definitely need to get tested. You definitely need to get tested now, because I remember that you are positive, and since you guys are having unprotected sex, most likely she is positive as well, right? And if you don't know your status, then you run the risk of actually infecting other persons. So I understand that you don't want to disclose your status to her, but in a sense you guys would have to probably come in together so I can have a discussion with you in face to face as well.
Doc, one time she did say make we go to a doctor together, and you know, I was about to tell her about you, but then she said a joke she make, you understand? And she, you know, decided that she not gonna do no test because, you know, she not stay them way there.
Okay, yes, I understand the dilemma that you guys are in. However, if for example I start treatment, the HIV treatment on you, and she is not being treated, then she will actually deteriorate quicker, because in essence, if a person have HIV and they're not treated within 5 to 10 years, they will likely die and start to have severe complications. Because what the virus is really doing is the virus, HIV virus, basically destroy your immune system. And you know that the immune system is what you need to fight off infection, as well as different type of cancer cells that might develop in your body. So at some point you have to try and derive a strategy to get your partner tested as soon as possible, so we can start treatment if she's positive as well. All right?
Yes, Doc, but yeah, man, because we can't believe some catch them thing, you know, Doc.
I mean, I'm not saying that you are the guilty person, or that you might have more than one sexual partner. So I'm not certain if you guys...
Doctor, as she alone, doctor, as she alone, me tell her somebody I talk to me. I'm a virgin lady still, you know. You see, that's something go wrong, you know, but as she alone, me really did active with it. Understand? As she alone, me did a deal at the time, you know. So I don't know how this happened, because me need to run up and down, doctor.
Alright, well in that case, you know, I mean, as long as the person don't have, like, if you have a previous sexual partner, it could have been before you met this person.
Yeah, I remember you did tell me that.
But it's not impossible that she actually pick up she's unfaithful or she may have picked up the virus from
But
someone else, even a past relationship, yes?
Doc, what I say, how am I gonna get her to come do the test? Because I don't really want to tell her that I have it because I don't want to look like a me give her. Because I know it's not me give her. That me kind of embarrassed that I tell her the truth. Right now I can't eat, doctor, I don't eat, doctor, I don't eat. Right now.
Yeah, but I mean, you also have, because in reality, you did your test at the office and it is positive, but in reality, I'm supposed to contact the contact investigator, inform the ministry, and have them come and do contact investigations. Actually, I did something like trying to be secretive with you instead of informing the ministry about your status. I actually kept it by myself.
Yeah, alright. I'm not cut you. You see that secret thing the way they tell me about?
Yes.
I'm glad feet because I try to tell for my brethren, you know, right? So you are going to keep it a secret and him still no want to come. But the doctor, it is what it is, man. If them no want to get tested, anything will happen to them, just happen to them, you know, doctor. But me not going to be the one to tell her, say me give her none, because I don't want me give her nothing, doctor. But anyway, doc, I take your advice because I did something I know, doctor.
Alright, that's no problem. But you can remember that you can call me at any time, you know. Yeah, alright. And then please remember that whichever strategy you are using, at some point you have to ensure that you guys go together. To go to the hospital, to the health center together and have it tested if you're...
Doc, but it's complicated. Right? I never my woman, so me and I can't go to the doctor, boss. But me call about boss.
Alright, not a problem, sure. All the best now, alright? Bye-bye.
Yeah, doc.
Babes! Hi.
Yeah, so you're there.
Remember me there why you smoke?
So you tell me say I come?
Come and see me a surprise you.
No, me just a smoke on
one. One. Look at that. Look there.
What?
Look how you had full of curve in your butt.
Don't worry about that, man. But how you come from foreign and call me and tell me, be?
Because me say me a surprise you, but it seems like I may get a surprise because you don't smoke. Me don't know you as a man that smoke, so...
I miss you, man. Oh, I'm you. Oh, you come from foreign and... Sure.
It's kind of confusing.
What confusing, be?
You smoke.
One little cigarette.
One little look there.
Remember, you know.
That can make more than a pack when in a yard. How are you warm to you?
Come go in there. Nothing wrong with me. Me just miss you and look at this chest. Come now.
No.
Sure. Go on in the house, man. Jeez, why are you doing this?
Stuff.
Oh, I can't believe you're surprised, sir. Eh? Babes, now go up on the road and come back, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Go craving there, but they do, yeah, man. Go sweet, man. Call me good friend, I know. Kagan Stacy. Girl. You hear me?
Yeah, me and your girl, what?
Me dey back in a place and now enough. Who do you know me there walk?
Here are you just a call me?
Girl, you know, say me come and me have to sick her first and you know.
Girl, come here. You cannot?
What happened?
Right, that's please don't go nowhere.
Me not hear that.
But yeah, be here to the community, go nowhere near the boy named Tyrone.
Tyrone, what do you mean by be AIDS in our community?
Tyrone at the end.
Eh? That a fool Tyrone, tall here Tyrone.
Yes, brown Tyrone, slim Tyrone.
What you not say? So you look at that, me left you and something you go on?
That's why I put up on your yard, mama, because your son will good again. Big hair run. And you know I tell his son at all the time.
That not nothing to do with me. Remember me live with my man, you know, so that not nothing to do with me. My girl see the girl in my road. But so my
Things are gonna happen, things are gonna come out here.
so how something not tell me? Oh my man not tell me and I'm friend. Me not understand that. You not tell me that.
Everything I'm gonna tell about his friend.
Well, you know, so when head up on pillar in a bedroom a different setting, so anything can come up, girl.
Lord God, just careful and make him sleep with a friend and make him come to your yard. No, all by my yard, girl.
Are you to be careful now? Because you're a single one, you know. Nah, no me. For you to be careful at Tyrone, no me.
Girl, you know, see, I'm stay far, I'm staying a million in my yard. You don't realize that?
Oh, me if you realize that I just come back here.
Oh, 2 days ago you come here, you don't see me. You don't see me.
That's true.
Right, okay though.
Yeah, me good. Me a call you one of them day want link up and go have like a girls trip or something. I'm back in a place, you know.
Yeah, like how you first start come like you have to go to Margaritaville or one of them places.
Your chest it high door, Margaritaville.
And then you come from Paris, girl.
Know yourself, man. Know yourself. Me have a back, man.
Girl, if you don't have money, you come off of this. Come here,
Listen me. You know what you not change though? You need to change your look at dirty ways them.
come off of this. Come here, ask you for business. You call me favor.
No, me call you here up here now. You tell me who have AIDS and who not have AIDS, and that's not my business. Anyway, look more.
Right, later.
Aye. Them turn the way for them. Here's the business, but
Shad! But wait. Alia! But wait, Alia, are you that? So, fear boy not tell me say you're forward back.
yeah, me the back in my place, man.
How long now?
Me the back in my place, you need to know how long.
Must bring something for me. But anyways, fear boy me come check pa. Where you there?
You know there.
Wait, you don't know where you there?
They're on the road.
You don't know when he might come back. Alright, if he forward back, you can tell me somebody did circle. We'll ask for him.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Babes. Babe. What? Yeah. Yeah, do I don't know.
Yo, Chad! Chad!
Yo, who that?
Yo, Chad!
Yo, who that?
I'm me, man, Tyron.
Forward the man. Wait, where you going with?
Yeah, you know. No, say this morning come check for you, but he come like,
But a reason about nothing like come here, they do reason about. You understand? True. Different. You can know some lady there, and my lady forward, you know.
yeah, man, me did come see her this morning come.
They want you forward them for forward, man. Anyway, there, so why late is now?
Why?
Hey, babe. So my general now. The Tyrone now. Tyrone, man. See general, man.
I want.
Yeah. You want to the back in that place, man.
True.
Yeah, man.
Right move.
There, take it easy, my boy. You know, say, why sugar factory there go and work and pick up, you know?
Say, they couldn't get a work over there for me.
You know, say, them a look workers. But would have to talk to my manager still. But you would have do them hard work, brother.
Yeah, man, Chad. You know me long time, Chad.
Brother, yo, them work hard, you know, brother. Tractor me drive and sit over there, you know, brother, and a son of task, you know.
Chad, you feel me a baby? Me a big man, you know, Chad.
Them don't know, man. Yeah, man. This time I have one no beer on the fridge. I don't know. I drink and so. But pardon us some reason. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Say I wanna know.
So here thing I know, see? We're saying that I check my phone to check the doctor man. That I can check my phone.
Yeah, man. I kind of can't check up on, I know. Kind of make up my mind. But, I like, they give me till next week. I can make up my mind fully.
I love
I
that,
think
man.
about for when, you know.
I love that, man. I love that, man. That's it. You know, it's a man where, as I say, I do my thing already and come out negative, that's it.
True.
But if you're positive, then man, they will keep it confidential still. You don't have to worry. You can get the treatment them and them something there. You understand? Because you don't know them have treatment for them something there. If you have them, I not say I have in a general. But you tell me yes, she did involved with it. Have it general as me they tell them I papa them general.
What do you mean I raise it with her too, you know?
Hold on there. My general I show up me there. Hold on there. Yeah, my general. Yeah. You know something up a yard that's a. Yeah man, up a yard that's a race with Tyrone, that's it. Alright, I'm so short back. Yeah. to my boy that are the youth with the power side them, or rent the power side them. Money in my car for you now. But it's a rough situation, brother, cause you see if me did in the situation where you're right now, I know. But that's stress too, brother.
Stress out, man.
You know, see you stress out, man, is it? But don't make it stress out, man, is it? Don't make it stress out in general, man. Just, is it? Just hold firm, man, is it? If you have to cry, you have to just have to cry. But that not say, you have it. You have to just use something to take away your stress still, you know.
True,
You
man.
understand?
Make
If you-
it sharp, man, for that, man, me a come.
Yeah,
When you
man.
go
Yeah,
up
man. So if you have a drink, because rum and or some more, so I joke. I joke, brother, man, I don't know. You see it? Yeah, man. Mom's car back. And nice clocks for me. You see it? I mean, I tell you, say, God, no, I can't fit me. What size are we?
Size 8, more, man.
Size 8. I know, so I make you get it. Because 8.5, you know.
Mm.
But a 9 me wear. You see it?
Can't fit no, man.
I make you get it. You see it? So, watch on, man. Ball game. So, yes, sir. Brave up and then we go check Dr. Samuel, man. You see
Next
it?
week, sharp on that, man.
Next week, sharp on that. Done. Alright.
We'll connect up.
Mm-hmm.
Alia! Alia! Big up yourself, Zid!
Hmm?
I'm gone?
Yeah, man, I'm gone, man.
Oh. Listen to me now.
Mm.
I don't really want you par with him like one time, you know.
Why? I'm a bridge, you know?
I have bridging but a 2 day now. I come back here, I'm here saying I have AIDS already. So imagine, man. Don't tell me say your friend and you don't hear that. You don't know. And you're so close. Yes.
This is ridiculous. You know, say. Alright, let me tell you the truth. The year say, he must show me say I like a thing and it's stressing. You understand? So, I decide say, you know, I'm gonna be a good virgin and
So you have it for sure.
yeah, me say I'm have it.
So yeah, make me look like I idiot look where you laugh like
Alright, look, me here say alright, it's a next virgin, right? That's what I say, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The next virgin female woman. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, brown girl when
Yes, me know
when
him.
got prison.
Yeah.
Right. He's still there with her, you know.
Mm.
And she, you know, say she bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So me say she have it. Our next youth must give she. So me now I put him on the yard and me put him on the yard. You know? So I don't know if I tell nobody now say he have it or he feel like he have it and people just spread it, but nobody know if he have it yet. He just been go check up. But he don't really want to go check up.
So encourage him for getting check up done.
We do that about 1 million
But
times.
until he getting check up and you know what's what, I don't really want you with him because
No, but look here, B, you can't catch there's something there if you're there beside the person or
him can have a cut and you can have a cut and no hand just bounce from one
no,
end.
that not go happen. You ever see me? No, that not go happen.
And your friend will laugh
That
and
not go-
party and stuff and him someday.
No, sir.
Him can't eat off a spoon or you know remember you just borrow him fork or something.
Not like that, man. Not like that. You know, so me not hurt them away there.
Just be careful.
Yes. Me have to be careful. I'm gonna need. You don't need to tell me to be careful either. Cause and I like me I run up. Yes, me I run up and down.
No.
Eh?
Me never say that now you say it just to put words in my mouth.
Okay, but you come.
Me never say that. Me just want you to be careful around him because when me hear now if people are say that about him and your friend, what do you think they gonna say about you?
No, but then can't say that because after. Come on, nobody out there sitting there and fooling she saying.
Alright,
If my
leave it
virgin
there.
have
Leave it
that-
there, sir. Leave it there, sir. I don't want the argument.
If my virgin have it, how me feel happy?
People always say, show me a friend and me tell you who you are.
So what you are trying
I
to say?
just
What you are trying
how
to say?
people stay. You know if you have it, you know, and him don't have to have it. But people and their mouth I go bring you down.
No,
And you know say as Jamaica people stay.
Alright, as I say, if my virgin have it, me just have be a good virgin. Be man, encourage him. You
Okay.
understand? encourage him to take in check up on all them stuff. You know what I mean?
Okay.
You understand?
But B, another thing again, 2 days now me coming now. And nothing no happen. So just come now. A 2 days me come in.
What?
Just get up and come here. Well, I know me at about. Just come now. Y'all smile so. You don't know me at about? Me I am man and woman, big man and woman. What man and woman do in a room.
Rather day I just feel weak out and then sit there like my nature just, I don't know if I trade the guns so long, I'm not do nothing, man. I just feel like my nature just cut you out. But give me a little time, man.
That's unlike you. Normally all 6, 7, 8 times 1 day. And no nature.
I don't know it, man. I'm just tired, man. You believe that, man?
Okay, alright then.
I'm just tired, man.
When are you ready? Me there.
Yeah,
Me not where?
yeah, babe.
I pray now.
How old is ya?
Everything
Yeah,
good.
dude. Yeah, man.
Yo, I'm glad to see you forward from prison, dog.
Tell a boy, did rough in there, yo. I'm glad me come out to you know.
You know you no fight though. Nobody not try to beat you up
You're
in there.
mad, man.
You know you have
Nobody
your thing,
respect
you
me
know.
and
You
rate
have
me,
your
that's
thing, you
all.
know. So you depend though.
Once what me I go up in the morning party event. Yeah, they carry on party.
Man
you
not
know.
to look like him and come from jail
Yeah,
and
man,
prison
man.
and look over there.
I go look while when me come out, man. I expect.
Fresh on now. Touch up road again. I like you look, man. You see me? I like you look is a look. So what you planning for there now? Since as like how you're the pan road now.
Why? Just have to go and work your food, you know. Make little money.
Well, at least you think wise. It's a wise thing you think.
I say what me do back then, you know, man. Me no want to do it again if you go back where me I come from, you know.
Enough man no learn from their mistake, you know. From you learn from your mistake, you are gonna make it.
You more ask a car.
Yeah.
Do you ever think if you ask, you know?
Ask man, I say we are bridging from them time there, you know.
No ask a car, how long far you come from, I don't know,
Yeah.
say. But yeah, come out of prison, me want one brother tell me, say. The woman did that bad.
Yeah.
One brother make me know, say, oh, you want me go to a doctor, go check up. I don't understand. What go on? You know, hear nothing about my little area in a village about my woman.
Between me and you still, you know, I don't want to really say nothing to nobody, you know, cause you know, nobody really take me for no informer, you know.
Yeah.
But any bird they pinch you and tell us say, hey, I say you go. You see me? But you want to know, me I go bust you up and a little info, you know. You
Yeah,
see
man,
me?
you know how far you
But
come
no call me name, me no charge you. Cause me in them look something there, you know. But you want to know. You see, free boy, Chad. And him there and your girl cupcake, you see me? Oh.
You come like you morning too early, man. Go back, go sleep. Go on home back, go sleep, man.
Alright, I'm chatting a patwa. I Chad a beat your girl.
Feel with Chad. That we used to kick ball with.
Yes, full with Chad.
Play a marble.
Yes, that the Chad that me a chat
A
about.
mad man. You
Seal
dey on coke.
I seal up. Which coke you a chat about, brother? Me a come here so with them type of intel there. Come tell lie.
Let me show you why me can't
Lie.
believe you. I'll show you why me can't believe you. See?
What?
I'm not hide nothing from you, know.
Yeah.
So me just come out of prison over there.
Yeah.
I see him Chad.
Yeah.
Come link me. And I tell me say, oh, Ruru.
So him tell her to go away.
Him said one. So me not believe what you say.
Because of him are there with a girl, youth. Open your mind, no. You know, nothing up so open your head, no, youth. Watch out, 3 hours close. And if you would there, and me and this man, you would
Yeah,
and
bro.
make move. And me I tell her, say, yo, I ain't been a make move.
we're too close, bro. Remember say chair we used to par, you know?
Watch out now, everybody have different mindset. For your woman look good and watch me on check man, but your woman look good and he look good in a Chad eyes, so Chad have a move in.
Say I tell me say my woman look good. Mine, you know.
No man, me nah tell us your woman look good, you know. To Chad, your woman look good. So me I'll make you know say
Okay.
Ray, them and then your woman salty.
So yo, I too really want bother with the violence between me and none of my friends them over no woman, you know. Small ask you a question. What you feel so me for do?
What I feel if you do? Boy, you know them has time yeah, a hard time, you know though. And you're there behind the bars and you come out and you say, feel your friend a beat your woman. Well, you see you know go back like them ways there again. So you just call it a day because you have to play food for catch wise at them time, you know. So if him I go on your thing and I make you know say him and your girl a deal. You play hypocrite too.
Bro.
You see me have to
But
play
you don't
food
know.
for catch wise.
Chad, shouldn't do me that. Right now, me expect that from an evil stranger, even my enemy, me expect that from.
Watch out, man, you have to expect the unexpected, you see me?
Right, you're smart. But me know what I'm going to do still. And I'm all pray. Me not going to do no wrongs or no violence. Cause as me tell her early on, you know, I
Change
go
your
back
life.
where I come from.
Yeah, man, me not tell us if I go do Chad nothing, you know, because we boy same way, you know. But I just in dirty style, you see me? But remember, me tell her, you know, not tell nobody say me tell her nothing, you know. You're not here for me, you're not see
Oh
me.
God, man, bro, in a long time you ever tell me nothing. I me tell back nobody.
I don't remember, but don't tell nobody say me tell her nothing. You see me? You have to do what you have to do. And that's
True.
about just not tell nobody say me tell her nothing, you know, see me, you're not here for me.
No, man, oh God, man, bro, no better than that.
Alright then, me going to take on me run.
They
You
are
good though?
they are with for my boss to come pick me.
No, but I take it to heart, you know, because I know your heart weak.
You go on here, man. Chad really do me that youth.
Every day me I hear about 8. I see me I go take a check up though.
Later, yeah, babes. Oh, hold on, where can I key there? Where I put it? Oh, there in my pocket. Later, yeah? Mm-hmm.
What is this? HIV. Then what shall I do with HIV pill back here? I'm pill all in there. What's up? I don't understand what I want to say now. I need to talk to you when you come back. I don't understand this.
Why? Babes. That was a rough day, man.
Yes, that was rough days. My girl, come. What is this? What is this?
You know, see, I'm a virgin left in HIV tablet them up here. Why problem?
Your virgin left them up here.
Yeah.
And they reach for the dresser.
Yeah, after Tyrone, them.
Tyrone.
Only reason why you see my name on it is because remember some miracle by factory and I have a health card. So, them look here now.
That don't make no sense.
Hold on. I have a health card. He can't afford to buy them. So me buy for him now.
No, but
Hold on. He give me the prescription and I buy for him. So me buy for him and he now come collect it. He collect it.
So your name up on the prescription?
Eh?
Huh?
Look here. It's just a link. It's a link.
No, in order for your name reach for this year now, it have to depend on prescription now.
Yeah, but look here now. Me I say it's a link me have when me use my that's supposed to happen still, you know. Don't tell nobody, you know, it's a link me use my health card and get it paid. So that's why my health card that's supposed to happen still. Don't say me say. You understand? So nothing like that.
You don't have a health card, you get it cheaper or you get it free?
You get it cheaper. Cause right
But
now,
at the pharmacy or hospital, you get them free, you're not supposed to buy them.
no go someone. Me tell you some links, man.
When I buy nothing, I go to some, me go to hospital already, me go to pharmacy already. Me know things.
The man,
Me not dumb, me look stupid to you.
the man just a come from prison. So where you find that? That never depend on the sign. Don't tell me.
Right there, they come me a clean up and the right behind the box with the cologne. That's the next thing. Instead of the up front, it's behind the box with the cologne. Why they behind the box with the cologne?
Because alright, you what? That question about them, Mr. Let me tell you something,
Excuse me?
virgin thing.
But this is some in there with your name, Penny.
Oh, yeah,
I have
so,
some
yeah,
stop
so,
question you. No, but
me not have no HIV. That I'm a virgin them pill that. What do you? Me look like me have that?
you don't look like you have it, but you would have make all type of sense why you know
Alright, man.
why you make up all type of
now?
excuse when time if you do not or whatever.
So me and I do that your face of me have whatever. Eh? So hold on. So what you talk about? We not do that last night. We not do it last night.
We do it last night, yes, you know. But you insist we use condom out of nowhere you want to use
Yes.
condom all of a sudden.
Because
Why?
no money now run now, I don't want to get a pregnant baby. I want
Come on, me and you know say me dey palm pills, so
Oh.
no pregnancy thing in this year.
Yo, look here, one little. Let me tell you how this thing work. You do supposed to know too. All the water can get a pregnant baby. You know that already.
Yeah, but you supposed to know say me dey palm pill, right?
You
So
know
how
that.
me I get pregnant?
But it's not 100%. Ask any doctor. Pill is not 100% that it might stop you from get pregnant. I want to tell you, man, if you like someone I done someone. Yo,
Chad!
yo, hold that.
Chad!
Hold that.
Yo! What reason with about something?
Yo,
Where I say earlier? Yeah.
where ask man?
Yours them here?
Yo, where ask man?
How are them there?
Yours them here?
How are them there?
Read.
HIV. No? Yo,
Yo, brother, I fear them, brother.
bro, more reason with about something, Chad. Come on, me go to
No,
the
me
next
ask you a question. No, yo. Brother, them are sitting here, brother. Look here. Am I in them, brother? No, you so get them for smart in my youth.
But Ali, you know say your man name upon this. How have you feel me? I don't know my name upon it.
Yo, brother, yo.
Yo, bad
Look
man.
here, yo.
Yo, come down here, so bad man. Reason more reason with about
So,
something.
you Musa, brother?
Brother, come down here, so the Chad.
Yo, hold on, just come like, hold on to the man. What you say, brother?
Bad man, hurry up.
My youth, don't hurry me up in my heart, my youth.
Chad,
brother.
can't believe. Say, me here from good source, bro.
So what?
Say, yeah, me woman. Jessica in a dealings, bro.
Me?
Me there prison.
Me?
Chad, me here from good source.
My youth, how are you, brother? You come in here and come accuse man, my youth.
And you tell me, oh,
My woman did this already and my woman don't accuse me about sitting my youth. How are you, brother?
you tell me, oh, long to go do a checkup and you have HIV.
Stop talk loud, brother, man, make people hear that, bro. Have what?
Chad, you have HIV.
Stop make people, stop talk so loud, man. What you talk about, bro?
You don't see a woman find HIV pill back in her house.
So that's me, Abby?
Chad, one bally see me down the road this morning when I wait for my boss to go to work and tell me say you and me woman in a dealings.
Yo,
When me there at prison.
man, Jessica, nothing, brother. My woman hear that, brother. How are you, my youth? How me fi do that? How me fi do that? A fool let take man for my youth. A fool let take man for two.
No bally now go around me no.
Baldi a idiot, Baldi a liar. When they're prison, my youth, I know Baldi out there do. Baldi a rob people place my youth and then sitting there, brother. Yo, the ball the way you know when me and you used to kick ball with, brother. Change up, brother.
Yo, bro,
I'm telling you, brother.
me I walk far from you know. Especially you know.
Say, me I tell you, say, brother, me I tell you, say, we gotta get checked. It's a reason, you know, Mike. I remember, say, if a thing happen to me.
Yo, Chad, me no I hear nothing from you, Chad. Nothing me no I hear from you, Chad.
Alright. Stay there. Alright.
Me no know how you feel do me that.
Yo, left me hard, man. Cause you come go like say, yo, I'm tell you, brother. Yo, you come go like, bro, I'm tell you.
Y'all account this me I tell me say, feel fall a yard too. How you the pan, Chad? How you really?
Yo, where you the pan? Yo, where you the pan? Yo, where you the pan, brother?
Oh, fuck off. I'm talking.
Wait till morning. So where you gonna be?
Listen to me. You see them in there, so make sure you're there.
No, man, no.
No. Come on. Chad, stop. You feel them in there, so just make sure you take them. Because I know I fear them.
What you mean I feel me them be?
And thanks, here, thanks to use protection. I'm glad you use protection in one time with know. I understand. So,
You can't
this me a 3 year now, me gone 3 year. And me know say yeah, I'm a man. So you see, if when me come and me ask you, they tell me the truth, maybe, just maybe I have a chance of me working with it. But you lie to me, and then on top of that, you tell me say if you carry one, and no, I'm not carry one. This can't work. This can't work. Just take a pill them. Never get my checkup, even though you use protection. Just take a pill them and be good. We can't do this.
You can't leave me someone.
We can't do this.
You can't do the same, man.
Yo, bro. How are you, bro? What are you doing, gum?
Dog,
Yo, get up, dog. Just up and forward.
yo, that's the one thing I'm saying.
So I'm telling you right now, bro.
Eh?
Me see up on the gun, me not like that.
A whole heap of problem, you know.
Like what? Yo, talk fast, bro, cause night I come now and I need to go up on the road. What do you with something?
The people then tell me say me have kidney problem.
So a simple match that, bro. You don't need flip on the gun.
She not to know it's serious, youth.
Yo.
Kidney problem,
A simple match that, bro.
Like part of my life gone, you know.
No, say that, bro. You have life same way. Simple match. You don't know, say me go up a trad yard. You don't know, say come like you need a date me woman for true. Boy look all guilty.
Brother, right now, I'm not talk about that, you know. I don't tell us, say, man.
Can't see paper.
Eh? Yes, sir.
So you hide the paper for you know say a kidney problem here, bro.
Yeah, a kidney problem I have.
So me see what them a say I go on.
But they not something like that.
Me see what I go on, brother.
Yeah, we know. Yeah, me no really have kidney problem, man. Watch you know?
Bro, how that?
Hey,
Let me see it.
watch you know, alright.
Bro, me not have enough time, bro. Me see what I go on for the paper now.
Me have 8 dog.
Oh, so you're one of them too, where have it? It's stinking at a place, dead man.
Watch you know. You go check out yourself if it's stinking at a place.
You
go
can't tell
check.
me that. Me no need to check out. I mean, I want to find out if me have it. Because me know me not have it.
You need, watch you know, me know why me I tell you, bro. Just listen to me, no go and go get a check out, no man.
You can't tell me that.
So you're not go check up yourself?
So don't have man round, no. I don't have AIDS. I never tell me.
So
I make me a eat found and I drink found.
Yeah.
Oh, you better go par with Chad. You and Chad fi go par.
Brother, come over here, so. And start going.
You want it to all close to you know, social distance.
I just say it now.
What you mean? You want to stay too close to you for your saliva and go catch me.
Brother, the doctor said nobody you can't catch you by that, by saliva and then they want to you. Come up here, son, brother, and start moving.
Oh, I'm afraid of anything. Yo, don't touch me.
Brother, you take your thing too far in the youth.
Brother, you're a young youth, you know. Only if you have sex with female unprotected.
So you not have sex with your woman?
Yes, you have sex with my woman unprotected because my female. If I'm born and known, I never seen her with a personal woman.
Brother, anyways, bro, you need to go get a check out. Just check up yourself. Now you
forget check up.
You're gonna not go do you. I want to check up you get me and get one little paper and say if you're negative or positive, you know.
And when you tell me what day, say as Chad and my woman didn't have business when me there at prison. Me not believe that. You don't see your Chad look. Pine done. My woman still sexy and plummy. What me did left for her.
This is you no sense though.
Me not have no sense.
You don't no sense in you.
You and Chad not have no sense because if you have sense, you know that always protect.
Now follow you go by the doctor.
Follow me.
Yeah, I will go.
Me not go. Me not have it and me no want know. You know see how me look? See all you two are take off weight.
Brother, true, me not eat right food.
You not eat right food. Me sure no say your parents them now make you dead for hungry.
Tyrone, that move son you just go check out yourself now. You're not listening, you know.
Me good. Me fi go check out myself.
You're going like something and go do you.
Me fi check out myself. You know see how me look? Night a come down. Anyway, take care of yourself.
So we link.
We link? Yeah man, we link man. Who you to? Me never say no with personal. From your group. Remember some right. Girl is in our team, you know.
Okay, my people. Tap now, just one long thing now, youth. Warm to you. No know your turn, so youth.
Later.
But me text you on your phone.
No, me don't want to text me. Me don't want your infection or your virus
yes,
to my WhatsApp. Me can't catch it to your phone. Don't text me.
Keisha, me cannot turn up a fridge. I tell you something that cold. And look at the quality fridge we have around there. I'll go and Stacy. Slow down. Repeat that again. Tyrone dead. What do you mean by Tyrone dead? What kill him? So and then they know say have AIDS. Oh, so people on road know and him no know. I can't bother. Why? I'm sorry for you still no, but I saw you go when time they love run up and done. Alright, I'm sorry for you, as me say, but I can't do nothing about it. Yeah, down the road me I go, so come on. Alright. Oh, so that means that they feel me pill for true. I be real for tarot on it, man. Anyway, Keisha, you know you're a tarot on dead.
Yo, Chad.
Yeah, what you doing?
What one? Wow, no.
Yo, what you doing, brother?
There, man. There, man. Long time I don't see you.
Oh, glad you out.
You there drive out,
It's
man.
school late and sit all away, brother.
Yeah, man.
Sit up,
There, man. You know you set around there.
yeah, brother, me hear what going, brother.
Yeah, man, I big A kill him, you know.
No, brother, I know side kill him, man.
Man, no listen you out. You no listen, man.
Yeah, no, brother. What can I say, no listen?
Eh? Yeah, take your meds. I know you're there knock it, you know. No, you're there knock it.
Yeah, talk about.
Talk one like.
You want to take for your meds?
Yeah, man, me I take my meds, man. I take my meds and go on.
Well, yeah, all the meds dead. Yeah, all the meds
Make
dead.
sure you have all for your meds, them, you
Yeah,
know.
all the meds. Never out of meds yet, brother. So you watch now. Sorry for four boys still, but
Yeah, man, I say go, man. I dream no listen still.
you know, listen, brother, and shall go take him check up, brother.
If you need listen that day, I will have meds with
Yeah.
you still. You know, but
Yeah,
say go.
you need all the meds.
You need all the meds.
So, connect up.
Connect up. All the meds, you know what I say?
Every time.
Alright.